Hello, this is Vivian Hart with Self-Confidence Pro. Today I want to talk about how to talk in such a way that people take you more seriously. One way to do that is to have your voice go down at the end of phrases and sentences and not up. When you talk with your voice going down, people will take you more seriously. They will respect you more. They will think that you're more self-assured about what you're talking about. When your voice goes up, they will think you don't really know exactly what you're talking about and you're not really sure about what you're saying. Here's an example. So let's say you talk to a friend and you say, I would like to go to see this movie. And you named the movie. If you say, I would like to see this movie, well, that just doesn't sound as strong. I would like to see this movie. Would you like, now if you ask a question, of course, like, would you like to see this movie, going up at the end is normal. But when you're making a statement, your voice needs to go down. Let's take another example. This would be an example such as, I need to have my car fixed today and I need to have it done by 3 o'clock. Now, if you said, I need to have my car fixed today and I need to have it done by 3 o'clock, hear the difference? And so it's important when you talk to have the words go down instead of up. And I know that if you have a habit of saying every sentence with your voice going up and that everything ends with your sentence going up, that it's hard to make it go down. You will actually have to train your vocal cords to make your sentences, your words go down at the end of each phrase and at the end of each sentence. This is Vivian Hart with a tip on being more confident. Bye-bye.